Welcome to my channel Natural Cures. During the winter season, colds that may be accompanied by sore throats increase dramatically, especially in children. The patient feels great distress, pain, and the inability to swallow food. A sore throat has several causes, but infection with viruses is the most prominent, but a person may develop a sore throat as a result of allergies, colds and flu, pollution, smoking or dry air. There are also many types of sore throats, some of which are mild and serious, which may extend to the throat and may cause swelling of the gland. Of course, we resort to drugs that calm this painful condition, which may affect the body's immunity, and if the matter gets worse, we may resort to the doctor. However, we can rely on some simple and easy home recipes to eliminate sore throats, without harming the health of the body, according to what was stated on the Bold Sky website concerned with health affairs. Among these recipes are 14 types. 1. Garlic. It has antifungal, analgesic and antibacterial properties. Garlic contains a compound called lysine, which kills the bacteria that cause sore throats. It can be used in several ways, either by chewing and swallowing directly, or by boiling several cloves in water and then using the liquid as a gargle. You can also make some mixtures of garlic, herbs, lemon, olive oil or apple cider vinegar and take it several times throughout the day. 2. Apple cider vinegar. It has antibacterial properties, and a high level of acid can kill the bacteria that infect the throat, and it also relieves the pain associated with a sore throat. A cup of warm water can be mixed with a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, a spoon of lemon and a spoonful of honey, and the mixture is consumed twice a day. 3. Lemon. Lemon is characterized by its ability to reduce the swelling of the swollen throat membranes, as it provides the acidic environment that kills viruses and bacteria. You can add a spoonful of lemon juice to a cup of warm water and a spoonful of honey, and use it to gargle several times during the day. You can also add grated lemon peel to a spoonful of honey. This mixture can be chewed for several times during the day. 4. Honeybees. It has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, so it has been used in treating sore throats since ancient times. It is also recommended by doctors, especially if the sore throat is accompanied by a cough. You can take a spoonful of honey directly or add it to water or tea and drink it several times during the day. 5. Cinnamon. It is characterized by its antibacterial properties, as it is rich in antioxidants. It helps reduce the pain associated with sore throats, and it is very useful in helping the body fight colds. Cinnamon can be consumed directly or added to honey or tea and consumed several times during the day. 6. Turmeric. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties make it very effective in resisting many diseases, infections and injuries. It is also a very good analgesic, so it helps relieve the pain associated with a sore throat. You can add a spoonful of turmeric and a spoonful of salt to a cup of warm water and use the mixture to gargle repeatedly during the day. 7. Cloves. Clove has anti-inflammatory as well as antioxidant properties, so it helps treat congenital inflammation effectively. 2 cloves can be chewed for some time, and ground cloves can be added to warm water and used to gargle several times. 8. Ginger. The antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties of ginger make it an excellent remedy for sore throats, as it kills harmful bacteria and purifies the body of toxins. Pieces of ginger can be boiled in water, then eaten directly or used to gargle. 9. Mint. Peppermint has antimicrobial properties, as it contains menthol, which is included in most medicinal treatments for sore throats and tonsils. It can be taken immediately after boiling it in water, adding it to tea, or using it to gargle. 10. Tomato juice. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C and other compounds that can get rid of the bacteria that cause sore throats. The antioxidants available in tomato juice provide a fast and effective treatment for sore throats. It can either be taken directly and used to gargle. 11. Basil leaves. Basil leaves help in getting rid of sore throats, because they contain many natural antioxidants. Basil leaves can be boiled and filtered and use water to gargle after adding honey. 12. Habhan, cardamom. Cardamom is rich in antioxidants, and its anti-inflammatory properties make it an effective treatment for sore throats, as it relieves the associated pain as well. Cardamom can be boiled and the mixture used in gargling for several times. 13. Chamomile tea. It is one of the most popular home remedies for sore throats, as it is rich in antioxidants, and is anti-inflammatory, and inhaling chamomile tea steam relieves cold symptoms as well. 14. Salt. It is also a common home remedy for sore throats, as it relieves symptoms and eliminates infection. It is sufficient to add some salt to warm water and use the mixture to gargle several times during the day. Please subscribe and likes and commenter.